Right. Thank you very much, colleagues. We are coming to the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask each of my panelists, I'm going to give them, tell us one message that you would like us to take away, right? But before we get there, let me just get one or two comments or questions from the audience. Is there anybody who wants to make a quick comment?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, Prof. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think I totally disagree with Dr. Chisema there, what he was saying. Listen, there is a difference here between emergency use authorization and approval. Let's be very clear when we talk to our communities. We are still gathering the data. And then we have to be very careful when we say safe. We cannot just say, yes, it is safe. No, the data is not there for us to categorically say that the vaccines are safe. No. We are using them on the basis of the fact that, enough data has been accumulated in terms of efficacy. But going forward, we still have to monitor the adverse events following immunization. We don't know right now how many people are immunized.
But Prof, we also cannot say that it's unsafe. Because we don't have the evidence that it's unsafe.
No, but we can, but I hear you, but we cannot just use the word safe. This is English. We have to translate, we have to use another term.
Okay, so I'm going to challenge you to translate it into Shona. Totichi, Papa. Taurai, was
Gatimbo is 7 this side, Shona Zofamba say. It's English. Yeah, English has got one word, but Shona, you have to put it into a phrase. Gatimbo is saying this side, it's Wona Guti, Zofamba say. That is not safe.
That's fine. Dr. Chisema, can you translate that into your language?
Prof, if you quoted me right, I used the word, I think for now, the best word that can be selected to use is safe. It's just the best word, like the only available in the closest vocabulary. But we understand that we are still doing a lot of monitoring to understand and report issues of IF. But that's the best word that can be used as a vocabulary, single word. But as we continue to teach our public, as we continue
I'm sure people in England can come up with a better word.
But when we are teaching the public and when we are teaching the vaccinators, we are providing all this detail, informing them that there is need to continue to gather more evidence and more data. Like in Malawi, I will tell you, we are working to set up an active surveillance site for vaccine safety because we need our own data that informs us. Thank you.
And I'm really proud of what Malawi has done. I think looking at some of the reports, hesitancy in Malawi has been quite low. But I think you've also managed the problem quite well. So I'm really proud of Malawi. I hope to get my certificate and come and visit you guys. Can we have one more comment from the panel?
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One more comment.
Thank you, Prof.
Can we get one more comment from other colleagues here? No comments?
Hi.
Yeah,
okay.
I think.
Hi.
Thomas, yeah? No, not the panelists yet.
Yes.
Yeah. Thomas, you want to say something, please?
Yeah, Prof. Katere, thank you very much. I think just basically with regards to the fact that we're talking about safety of the vaccine, I think maybe what should not be lost here, really maybe if we're talking to the public, we should be talking about the benefit versus risk. That is where the focus should be on, because the COVID vaccination has been shown to reduce hospitalization and to reduce deaths. So when you talk about, what we really should be focusing on this benefit risk analysis rather than just focusing on this safety alone, because at this point in time, yes, there may be, we cannot say that, long-term safety has been established. yes, we can't categorically say that, but at the same time, like you mentioned, we cannot say that it is unsafe. But I think the benefit risk is what should be.
I think that's
emphasized.
an important point, because there's no absolute safety, right? So people say natural is safe. You know, they are going to be taking muclonyane or Artemisia afra, what do we call it? Lipia javonica, Zumbani, and we assume that it's safe. You know, but it's because they want to be alive tomorrow. We don't know 2 years down the line whether they are not going to get cancer of the kidneys or whatever it is. So I think the important thing is, the public should know that safety is never absolute, because again, it depends also on the risk of the individual, right? Yeah. So, okay, thank you very much. I think we will close. I would like, if possible, in closing, for someone to say something in their mother tongue, just to my gogo or to your gogo out there, you know, about what we've discussed here. So I will start with Simisiwe. Can you say something in Zulu?